Guys, demo namin Innova 2019. Ito, in-upgrade natin. Guwapong-guwapo na. From time na kanina, in-upgrade namin siya ng bagong grill, park light, LED. Ito yung malakas, projector, JCL. Ayun o, JCL projector, fog light. Low beam, high beam. Pinata natin. Pasample, low beam. Low beam, high beam. Ayan o. Yung mga gustong mag-upgrade ng malakas na ilaw, ito yon. Napakalakas. Sige, patay. Tapos, ganda na, gwapo na ng grill. Hood shocks, nilagyan natin siya. Rubber hood lining, in-upgrade natin. Ito, 1 hour lang, we're done. Ito, nilagyan natin siya ng sequential lights. So, ito yon. Plug and play. Then here, nilagyan natin siya ng door seal para hindi magasgas kasi may gasgas na siya. In-upgrade na natin. Nilagyan natin siya ng black liner, full matting. Pa-open! Black liner, full matting. Yan, covered na covered. Linis, diba? This is made in Thailand. Fresh na ulit yung kotse. In-upgrade natin siya ng 3-way camera. Wi-Fi model, 3-way. Ito yun, fully covered. Gwapong gwapo. Pakita natin sa inyo second row. Sorry, may gamit si boss. Ayun. Fully covered yan. Hanggang pinakalikod, third row. Yan sa loob. Installation is 1 hour. We're done. So make sure nakapag-reserve kayo. Ganda, di ba? Yan na siya. So Thailand matting. So send us a message, we'll book your schedule here. Ito na yung finished product natin sa Innova. Thank you!